James Michel, President of the Republic of Seychelles, Mrs. Michel, Président Didier Robert, Président de la Région, La Réunion, Vice President Danny Faure and Mrs. Faure, Speaker of the National Assembly, Mr. Patrick Hermini and Mrs. Hermini, the Chief Justice, Mr. Frederick Egonda Ntande, Mr. Taleb Rifai, Secretary General of the United Nations, World Tourism Organization, and Mrs. Rifai, Mr. Calix Dauphin, Secretary General of the Indian Ocean Commission, and Mrs. Dauphin, Mr. Eri Nuradi, Governor Sergai, North Sumatra, and Mrs. Nuradi, Mr. Iman Mahdi, the Governor of Bangka Belitung, Minister Nguni in the Zimbabwe's Vice President Office, Mr. Chiu Yongang, Secretary General of the Organizing Committee of the China International Friendship and Cultural Festival, heads of tourism from La Réunion, from Zimbabwe, and from Kenya, ministers, distinguished excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. After months of organization and of intense planning, it is wonderful to see that the Carnaval International de Victoria is with us again. It is promising 3 days of fun, 3 days of festivities, and an opportunity for all delegations participating in the Carnival, for all our visitors, and for us, Seychellois and Réunionnais, to get involved with this unique event. Looking at the crowds gathered, looking at the feeling of unity amongst all of us, I admit I am overtaken with emotions, and I feel it is important to echo a sentiment that overtakes me at this point in time. One Seychelles, one people. Let us all join together and say these words again. One Seychelles, I don't hear you. One Seychelles, one people. You want to do it again? One Seychelles, one people, exactly. Last year, we were one when Seychelles launched the first edition of the Carnival all alone. But this year, it is heartening to see how one has become two. This year, we are co-hosting the Carnival with our esteemed partner, our sister island, La Réunion, in what I hope will be a durable and a fruitful collaboration that showcases not only our sovereign individual strengths, but also our regional solidarity and our determination to advance the tourism interests of our area and the interests of our nation. It is my firm wish that next year, today's two will become three as we, Seychelles and La Réunion, search our region for new partners, partners with whom to carry this event forward with its message of international fraternity, with its message of collaboration, and with its message of goodwill. It takes time and it takes effort to establish a legacy, as many of those representatives of successful world-renowned carnivals will agree. But the Carnaval International de Victoria, now known as the Carnival of Carnivals, today has another opportunity to reinforce its reputation as a true melting pot of cultures, to go from strength to strength, and to provide an even stronger foundation for next year's event. I would like to take this opportunity to thank our co-host La Réunion for their collaboration is what is a fine example of regional cooperation in an event that will, hopefully and increasingly, come to belong to our region and, of course, to the Indian Ocean. One spectacular event with a truly global reach, shared equally between us all, as opposed to each of us hosting smaller events, is surely the way forward at a time when strong cross-border partnerships are what we should all be seeking, in true musketeer spirit of all for one and one for all. Seychelles and La Réunion are both tropical tourism destinations situated in proximity of the equator. We both enjoy this warm weather climate, so much sought after by our potential visitors from all our main tourist markets. But we are not alone in this enlarged tourism equatorial belt. Just here today, we have amongst us Zimbabwe, South Africa, Kenya, Madagascar, and yes, Mauritius. We need to make a stand here and identify with each other in a way we have never done before. We need to reach across the borders of this expanded equatorial belt, and today at this Carnival of Carnivals, decide to meet, to discuss, and to find concrete ways to advance the tourism and cultural interests of our region. Thank you to the 33 international delegations who are here in Seychelles for this Carnival of Carnivals, hosted by Seychelles and La Réunion. Thank you for being here with us, and we wish you fun-filled 3 days as you showcase your respective cultures, as you proudly showcase your people, and as you tell the world that you are part of the community of nations. A special thank you to all those of you who were present at the first Carnival and who have returned, because you are cornerstones of this and of our future carnivals, and the foundation upon which the future success of the event will be constructed.